This 1929 Ford Model A Coupe is in excellent condition, located in Tacoma. Priced at $15,000, it features a 4-cylinder engine, manual transmission, and rear-wheel drive. The car has been upgraded with a 12-volt conversion, an upgraded ignition with mechanical advance, a rebuilt engine with Babbitt bearings, an upgraded water pump, a Snyder's high compression head, a lightened flywheel with a V8-style pressure plate, an upgraded oiling system with a filter, and balanced engine with modern valves and AV cam. The odometer reads 20,734 miles, though the actual mileage is unknown. The car comes with all original fenders and running boards, as well as new brake shoes/pads, a fresh Holley 94 carburetor with a new downdraft intake, and a new Ford dropped beam. The green paint and clean title add to its appeal. This Model A is perfect for someone looking for a vintage driver or a restoration project, with over $5,000 invested in engine upgrades. It's a ripper off the line and up hills but still has mechanical brakes, so the owner doesn't venture very far with it and try to stay under 50 miles per hour. Check the link in the description for more information and photos. (1931) Chevrolet AE Sedan is a beautifully restored vintage vehicle listed at $27,500, located in Angeles Oaks, California. This classic car boasts a clean title and registration, with a 194 cubic inch inline 6-cylinder engine paired with a 3-speed manual transmission. It has undergone a complete, museum-quality restoration, making it a stunning showpiece and a fun driver for vintage car enthusiasts. The vehicle is in excellent condition, featuring a rust-free body, beautiful blue paint, and a gorgeous mohair interior. It rides on 6 brand new white wall tires, has only about 5,000 miles, and offers RWD with gas fuel. Its appeal lies in its originality, restoration quality, and potential as a collectible or restoration project. Perfect for collectors or those looking for a classic ride with historical charm. Check the listing link in the description for more detailed photos and information. Introducing this fully restored 1927 Ford Model T, listed at $11,500 and located in Feeding Hills, Massachusetts. This classic car boasts excellent condition with a reconstructed title and has been meticulously restored from the ground up, including a complete engine rebuild featuring lightweight cast iron pistons. It features a manual transmission, gas fuel, and a notable odometer reading of 1,111,111 miles, reflecting its vintage charm. The seller highlights that the car starts easily, is currently registered, and is ready for immediate driving. Its comprehensive frame-off restoration includes modern updates like new axles, bearings, seals, and a rebuilt starter and generator, ensuring both authenticity and reliability. The vehicle remains an appealing project for collectors or enthusiasts seeking a fully restored vintage automobile or a striking driver that embodies the spirit of the late 1920s automobile craftsmanship. For more details and photos, check the link in the description. This stunning 1931 Ford Model A Coupe hot rod is a true classic, priced at $25,000 and located in Sylvan Beach in New York. With only 580 miles on the odometer, this vehicle is in excellent condition and features a powerful 350ci Chevy modified V8 engine paired with a 4-speed automatic transmission. The all-metal body boasts a chopped roof, shaved doors, and an extended hood, making it a standout on the road. The custom-built frame and stainless gas tank add to its unique appeal. With a clean title status, this coupe is perfect for collectors or vintage car enthusiasts looking for a reliable driver. Additional features include power windows, dual side mirrors, Dakota digital gauges, and a luxurious white leather interior. Don't miss the chance to own this remarkable piece of automotive history. Check the link in the description for more information and photos. This 1930 Ford Model A is a classic gem priced at $20,000, located in Venetia, Pennsylvania. With a manual transmission and a rear-wheel drive setup, this coupe is powered by a gas engine and has an odometer reading of 50,000 miles. The car is in excellent condition, featuring a sleek black paint job and a clean title status, making it a great choice for collectors or vintage car enthusiasts.
The vehicle has undergone an older frame-off restoration, ensuring it runs and drives fantastically with no issues. Its timeless design and reliable performance make it an appealing option for anyone looking to enjoy a piece of automotive history. Don't miss the chance to own this stunning classic. Check the link in the description for more information and photos. This remarkable 1929 Ford Roadster hot rod is offered at $25,500 and is located in Creswell, Oregon. It features an excellent condition with only 2,500 miles on the odometer. Powered by a robust 283 cubic inch small block Chevy engine equipped with a tri-power setup and camel hump heads, it offers great performance. The automatic turbo 350 transmission ensures smooth driving experience, and the vehicle is supported by a Ford 8-inch rear axle with 3.23 gears, enhancing its classic charisma. The black paint gives it a sleek and timeless appeal. With a clean title and rear drum brakes complemented by front disc brakes, this Roadster is ideal for both enthusiasts and collectors. Whether you are looking to restore a classic or enjoy a vintage driving experience, this Ford Roadster is a superb choice. Check the link in the description for more information and photos. This classic 1932 Ford Roadster is offered at $28,000 and boasts an excellent condition, making it a desirable choice for vintage car enthusiasts and collectors. Located in Spokane, Washington, this convertible features a powerful 8-cylinder engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission, providing a genuine driving experience. With only 11,000 miles on the odometer, it presents a well-preserved profile ideal for restoration projects or as a vintage driver. The car sports a striking red paint color, complemented by a full chrome front end and chrome rear coilover suspension that add to its eye-catching appeal. The vehicle comes with a clean title, ensuring clear ownership, and delivers a small block Chevy engine with a 350 turbo automatic transmission, perfect for reliable cruising. Whether you're into restoring a piece of automotive history or enjoying classic road trips, this Ford Roadster combines style, performance, and rarity. Check the listing in the description for more information and photos. This stunning 1929 Ford Model A Coupe is a classic street rod that combines vintage charm with modern performance. Priced at $21,500, this vehicle is located in Lexington, Massachusetts. It features a powerful 8-cylinder Chevy 350 small block engine paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable drive. With only 30,136 miles since its build, this coupe is in excellent condition, boasting a clean title and a sleek black paint job. The car has been well maintained, always garaged, and recently tuned up with new ignition components and a rebuilt Edelbrock carburetor. Its bulletproof Ford 9-inch rear end and coilover suspension provide both reliability and style. Perfect for car shows or cruising, this classic beauty is sure to turn heads and garner compliments on the road. Don't miss out on the chance to own this iconic vehicle. Check the link in the description for more information and photos. Discover an exceptional piece of automotive history with this 1925 Ford Model T Coupe priced at $10,999, located in Concord, California. This classic car features a robust 4-cylinder gas engine paired with a manual transmission, offering a true driving experience for vintage enthusiasts. With only 10 miles on the odometer since its restoration, the condition is noted to be excellent, showcasing its museum-quality makeover. The stunning green paint job adds to its vintage charm, while the clean title status confirms its worthiness as a collector's item. Notably, this vehicle comes with historical license plates, enhancing its appeal for those interested in classic cars. Whether you're looking to add to your collection or enjoy it on the road, this classic Model T Coupe stands out with its unique character and nostalgia. Don't miss this opportunity to own a timeless piece of history. Check the link in the description for more information and photos. This 1930 Ford Model A is mostly original, with new tires and tubes. It's equipped with a manual transmission and runs excellently, making it a great vintage driver. The vehicle has 100,000 miles on the odometer, and its clean title ensures it's in good standing.
Offered at $20,000 or best offer, it's a fantastic choice for restoration enthusiasts or collectors who appreciate classic vehicles. This Model A is perfect for those looking for a piece of automotive history with the potential to shine once again. Check the link in the description for more information and photos.